Malasos, the Officer in Charge, Provincial Administrator of the Province of Zamboanga del Norte, Levy H. Lagatin, ng Kabataan members, the ABC President, Honorable Tan Muhammad C. Aswani, together with the barangay chairs, the SK Federation President, Honorable Manuel Patigayon, Sirawai Mayor, Honorable Aljo Sir Janihim, Zamboanga Sibugay Governor, Honorable Dulce Ann K. Hopper, Vice Governor, Honorable Attorney Ray Andre Aligario, Board Member, Honorable Richard Aligario, Board Member, Honorable Attorney Marlo Bangporo, Board Member, Honorable Pepito Yanga, Assistant Director of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, Dr. Dante Oporto, PNP Provincial